we are going to continue working with this menu. Now let me click F12 and we are going to go inside the main menu, down here main menu, and then the UL. Now if you notice, you are going to have, let me move this up, you are going to have the margin on the right and the padding on the left. You are going to be able to see the margin on yellow and the padding with the color purple. And let me show you what will happen if we change the margin to 0 in here. Did you notice now we are eliminating everything around the menu, especially on the right and then on the padding left. Let me change everything to 0, and now did you notice the menu will look a lot better. You are not going to have more space on the right and on the left. So here's what we are going to do. This is going to be really important that you understand this, because we are going to change all these settings. Let's go to the main menu. We are going to make a selection, Control F, and click Next. In here, we are going to add a padding. Let me padding left, and it will be equal to 1.5 EM. Then semicolon, and make a full selection, Control C, and we are going to eliminate all this, okay? Equal to 0, and then equal down here to 0. Next, we are going to go all the way down. Let me go in here, inside the 640, and paste the CSS rule that we just copied, okay? Because we want to apply all these, and especially the margin left and padding left, to all the screen size dimensions above 640, but not below 640, okay? Let me show you what will happen. Let's click Ctrl S, and we are going to right click and upload, click OK, and we are going to increase the dimension, refresh, and then move down. Now we are going to go resize window and 640, click OK, and see what will happen when we go below this dimension. Let's go in there. Now we are going to be able to change the menu. The next step will be applying a background inside this element, well, this menu. So let's go back, and we are going to go inside the, let me copy all this, Control F, and click Next. Inside here, we are going to apply a background, okay? The background will have the color F8, F8, and F8. And because we are already in here, we are going to change the height from 60 to 40. And because we want to apply only this height to dimensions below 640, we will need to go down. Let me copy all this, Control F, and down here, okay? We are going to change, well, we are going to be adding the height in here. Let me copy all this height, Control C, and we are going to make a selection, go down, and down here we are going to paste. This will be inside the 640 dimension. Let me go up, it should be in here, 640, okay? This will be the add media, and the 40 will be changed to 60. So let's click Ctrl S, and we are going to right click and upload, and click OK. Going back and refresh. It will look a lot better, but we will need to keep doing changes to this menu. Let's increase the size. It will look fine. So let's go back below 640. Let's go back and eliminate the drop down menu inside this dimension, okay? Let's go in here and copy all this and click Find Next. Now this will be creating the drop down menu. If we copy this in here, let me Control C, and change this one to negative 9,999 pixels. Then we are going to go down. Let me make a selection, Control F. You know what, it won't exist. So let's scroll down and we are just going to paste in here, okay, after the main menu LI. The left will remain the same because this left property will be activating the drop down menu. So let's go back and right click and upload. Click OK and we are going to refresh. Let's go to our services, and now as you can see, we are not going to have the our services menu in here. Well, the drop down menu won't be there anymore. But if we go above 640, let me show you what will happen. Did you notice? The drop down menu will be back. If we go down, it will disappear. So for this video, that will be it, and let's move on to the next one.